Here's how to download Anki. Open your browser. Go to the KiC-Anki website. Click the Links tab on the top right. Click the second link, Download Anki at Anki Web. Click the Anki Web tab on the top right. Click Sign Up. Sign up for an account with your email and a password. You will be asked to verify your email address. Go back to the KiC-Anki website. Click the Links tab on the top right. Click the second link, Download Anki at Anki Web. Click the Download button. Choose the correct version of Anki to download. Close your browser. Open the Anki installation wizard. Drag Anki to your Applications folder. Open Anki. Press the Sync button on the top right. Type in your email and password. Press Sync again. You've downloaded Anki.